Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do your makeup. So yeah guys, I got all my stuff here and we're going to be doing a great video today. So yeah guys, hope you guys love this video. If you do, please like down below, comment, and I love all my subscribers. Love you guys. Mwah! Just to make sure that they're evenly perfect. Okay, so now guys, we'll make sure you guys make a perfect arch. So let's see. So you just want to grab a little bit of this. So you don't want too much. Then you just you want to make sure you're making that good arch. You want to make sure, guys, these don't look too fake, because I know a lot of people out there make their eyebrows look too fake. Now guys, the way I do my eyebrows could be different from you, so you guys want to make sure that you do eyebrows that are like just right for you. Okay guys, so you see I did the first one, now you should add a little bit at the bottom. This is my done brow, so I will do the other side now. Let's do it. So yeah guys, just comment down below if you guys do your eyebrows differently, because I always like to try different eyebrow thing. You guys want to really focus when you're doing your eyebrows. Like, you really don't want anybody talking to you, because you might mess it up. Now, I started doing my eyebrows at 12. I'm 16 now. And my mom can tell you my eyebrows look like monkey brows. She might tell you that. And I look back on my pictures and I'm just like, yeah, those are monkey eyebrows. It was like your bushes, but on your face. It was like really bad. So yeah. Just want to fill it in a little bit. Now guys, how I do my eyebrows, as you guys can see, I do not do this part of my eyebrow. Now the reason why is because when you get your eyebrows threaded, they do not thread this part of the eyebrow. So I don't do it because I think it looks best when I don't do it on my eyebrows. Because as you guys can see, my face, you have to, like, it depends on your facial look. You have to make sure that you guys do the right eyebrow look on your face, because you don't want it to look too bad. So as you guys can see, we just want a little bit filling. Now guys, when I need to fill it in a little bit, I use Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. And now you just want to bring it a little bit out and just fill it in like so. Yep, guys. And then maybe just do a few streaks in your eyebrow just to fill it in just a little bit. Oops, got some on my face. Okay guys, so there you go. Okay guys, so to make your eyebrows look really archy, you want to use a eyebrow gel. Now I use this eyebrow gel, and you just want to do a little bit of up movement with the brush. And guys, down below, these are not referral links, but I'll put the links to where I bought these eyebrow products. Now you guys can see the eye arch is like really getting good, and it's really good. And then you want to get a little bit of this just to make sure they look even. There you go guys. So as you guys can see, this is the finishing eyebrow look. Look really close. Looks really, really good, guys. These eyebrows look really, really professional. Hey Google, stop. Sorry guys, we're cooking. That's our timer. So yeah guys, so those are my eyebrows. So yeah, so guys, that's how I do my eyebrows. Now, some people like to put extra stuff under their eyebrows when they do the foundation. I really don't, because the eyebrows look fine. But for you guys, I will do it. Let's see. Okay guys, so you're just going to use a little bit of this Wet n Wild cruelty free photo focus. It's concealer. Just if you want to conceal your hairs in your eyebrow a little bit. Now guys, if it's a regular day for me, I would never do this. And then I'll just use my e.l.f. angle brush and just angle it in. There you go, guys. Make sure you get it right in that crevice. Use your finger just a little bit. Use the rest to put on the top. And bam, guys. Okay, guys, so that is how you do your eyebrows. Perfect eyebrows. So yeah, guys, thanks for listening, watching my YouTube video on tutorial on how to do perfect arched eyebrows. I hope you guys are enjoying your 2021 and come back for my makeup tutorial. So thanks, guys. Make sure you subscribe below, hit that notification bar. Follow me on Instagram at Official Savage Girl. I have not posted there in a while, but you guys can follow me. Also follow me on TikTok, CardiT15, and follow my Twitter, LexiDancy15. And go make sure you guys subscribe to my podcast, available on all platforms. Will Spill That Tea. Season 2's trailer is out, so you guys go listen to that. This season 2 is going to be really lit. So yeah, guys, I'm looking forward to 2021, guys. And thanks, guys, for watching. Love you all. Mwah.